Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Spell token. Covering it again yesterday when we covered it rallied a fair bit higher. I think I said that the main price target was this level right here at around 5,000, and we reached that right now. Found resistance, dropped down further than the 382 fib. I'm actually not 100% sure anymore what I said yesterday, because yesterday it was still quite early in the rally. Or we were still in the middle of this rally, so rallied quite high, all the way up to like 5,300 right here. In this video, we'll talk about why it happened. Yesterday morning, it was already, like you could have seen it coming quite early, so we'll talk about that as well, how you can spot rallies like this a little bit. And just in general, everything you need to know, I think, all right? So that's what we'll talk about. Before we do that, though, I do want to briefly mention that I have my own premium trading group, in which we talk about, like Spell was mentioned while it was all the way down here. Some people made some good money on that. That's mentioned in the chat room. I also share my own trades if I enter trades on cryptos like these, but also other cryptos as signals, and you gain access to my trading guide. So if you are interested in that, consider joining via the links down in the description or the pinned comments. But for now, let's get into Spell. All right, so what we saw to start off with yesterday is that the open interest and the volume already before the rally went up quite significantly. Like, it was already up 100% and the volume was up like, I don't know, 600%. And so there you could have already seen that something was brewing. Then with this little candle right here, or Spell also got some sort of a bullish breakout. So then it was pretty much confirmed that Spell was going to probably rally. And then what I found out yesterday, I did not know this, but if I would have known this, I would have definitely bought, is this, that there was a proposal to make DWF Labs the DAO market makers, and that they would also do a purchase for a discount of a lot of Spell, which basically, there's one rule which I always use, and that is buy everything that DWF Labs touches. All right, that's just something I've observed, and quite a lot of people know that as well. DWF Labs is a venture capital fund, but it's also a market maker in the crypto space. Basically everything they buy rallies at some point of time. I've also made some good money on that as well. So if you want to check them out, just go to Arkham Intelligence, and there you can see what they dabble in. Like, also BSW was 2 days ago. And what happened? BSW yesterday rallied. All right. So just in general, interesting to follow. That is what happened. Like, you could have seen it coming in two ways. That's why it rallied. Right now, it looks like it's done. All right. Volume is still going up, but open interest is dropping down rapidly. So I would say, like, there always is still a chance to rally, but the only way to do that is if Spell right now breaks above 4,800 again, which is the most important key level right now, not the strongest, but the most important one. So if Spell is able to do that for whatever reason, all right, then it could rally back up to like 5,400, and then we can also start talking about potentially rallying up higher. But this doesn't look, because of all of those circumstances we talked about, this doesn't look like the most likely scenario, and it looks more likely that Spell will actually drop down here, down towards this area right here around 4,400, find some support there, and then ultimately down to this level right here at 42 and 4,100. All right, that looks most likely right here. I will keep track of it, and I will keep an eye on it if it really gets that bullish breakout, because then I will just buy it again. But for now, that's my take on Spell. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.